one of my reasons why I'm interested to do this study. The first one, the teaching process in pesantren as a formal institutions. Yeah, right now, pesantren is similar with the formal institutions. Maybe for the last years ago, or maybe we know that pesantren is already talking about ngaji, right? Yeah, but right now, pesantren is how they can conduct the formal classroom, how they can use teaching, learning activity in a formal institutions. So this is one reason. And the second one is school policy of language use in pesantren. In pesantren that I teach there, they have the language policy. The students should use the bilingual, they should use English in their daily communications, although they have maybe the Rujaknis language maybe, yeah, such as maybe language is not the same as the good one, but they have to do that. So this is one school policy, and they haven't to use their Bahasa Indonesia. They cannot use their Bahasa Indonesia even in their daily communication. They have to use their Bahasa Indonesia only when the students or when they visit by their parents. Okay, so the next one is about bilingual classroom in pesantren. Pesantren has established bilingual classroom or maybe the multilingual classrooms because not only in Bahasa English or maybe in Arabic, but they can combine it, they can integrate these languages into one curriculum in one integrated systems. So why I use this translanguaging? Okay, next we will talk about this. Okay, so the next is students' need in language learning. The students' need in language learning, maybe I can say that everyone, every student or every people needs to know about language, especially about English as a target language. Because up to now, English is used in many situations, in many circumstances, or in kinds of environment. So this is the research. And, and this is the territory of my study. And the study focused on the idea of translanguaging as pedagogical strategy that used in teaching English in bilingual classroom at Islamic boarding institution in Indonesia. Because translanguaging is one of the pedagogical strategy that we can use, everyone can use. In Indonesia, this is maybe something new that we, but I don't believe that is new, but this is, we have known it before. Translanguaging, it means we can make another language there. We can integrate the first language to utilize students in learning English. Okay? And the success of teaching and learning process depend on how teachers' pedagogical strategy delivers material in the classroom. So we believe, we know that how the classroom can be interest. The students can be, they feel comfort in learning English. It depends on how the teachers deliver the students, how the teachers have the good strategy in teaching English. Okay. And the next one, actually there are many studies that discuss about this. Not only in overseas, but in Indonesia we have already some scholars, some researchers done this study. Okay, I have underlined many many studies such as Hassan explore translanguaging in madrasah in Tower Hamlets, and then Daniel in translanguaging practice, and then in pesantren, but here in pesantren they see only the teaching process in general English. They can use, they can deliver the languages, they can deliver the English in a general way. So similar with this case, Al-Baikani did investigation of English learning model at traditional boarding school in Indonesia. Maybe, if we Googling or maybe if we search about how many study that relate to about EFL or bilingual classroom, there are many. But one things that I'm interested to know is, nothing or maybe still limit we have researcher investigate the translanguaging as pedagogical strategy in teaching English as a foreign language in pesantren in Indonesia. As I told you in the previous slide, that when teaching in pesantren, generally the teachers use such as maybe grammar translation method, or maybe direct methods, yeah, or maybe TVA and etc. But here, as my interest, as my gap, I investigate the translanguaging that conduct in Islamic boarding institutions or pesantren in Indonesia. Okay. Bapak Ibu, maybe I'd like to tell you about translanguaging, but this is in short discussions about translanguaging. Yeah, this is the process the teacher can use as pedagogical strategy to utilize learner in learning English as a foreign language in bilingual classroom. Okay, and this is relate as my finding that